Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Jack Walsh, aka Friendly Trader, and what I want to talk to you about today is a topic that I believe is very important, and I believe that every trader that is a novice and is just starting out should start somewhere. I believe that if I started trading all over again, putting in them hours of studying, I would start with this topic. Now, this topic includes how to read support and resistance lines, what they are, and how they work. So let me start with a support line. So a support line is drawn in green to represent the bulls, aka the buyers, reacting to a certain price. And a resistance line drawn in red represents the bears, aka the short sellers, reacting to a certain price. So if we go back in the stock's timeline, in the morning, this isn't drawn to scale, it reaches the high of day, which we traders call the HOD, before slamming back down and pushing up, going past this point. Once upon a time, this support point was a resistance point. That's why it flopped as it hit the resistance point. But if you know technical analysis, support becomes resistance and vice versa. So as this stock went past this resistance point, the resistance became support and more buyers pushed the stock higher. It then touched upon the resistance point where there are bears waiting at this price to push the stock lower. Then it touches the support line where there are buyers gonna be reacting at this price and they're going to push the stock higher. So it has touched upon this resistance line twice and this support line twice, plus the previous time when it was resistance. So this is quite a strong support line and this is a fairly strong resistance line. So say if the stock was here, we wouldn't buy in yet. We would wait until this level of resistance is broke, so this would turn into a green support line and it would do something along the lines of what I'm about to show you now. So it would do something like that and it would go back down to hit the support line because there's still buyers at that price and it would push the stock higher. This is exactly what it done here. It hit the support line here, came back down and it went past the resistance point. Then the resistance point became support, came back down, pushed higher. It couldn't exactly go past the resistance point, but it tried again. It double topped, came back down, made a double bottom and pushed past the resistance point, making new highs. The stock then reacted at this level and then fell down to the support point where more buyers were pushing the stock up, and with that reaction from the bulls, the price then went higher. So I believe that using support and resistance lines are very useful when trading, especially when starting out. If you practice drawing them like I did, they make trading seem a bit more fun and a bit more easy. It can be difficult to judge the direction of the stock if you don't put these levels in, because remember they act out at a certain price. So this is where there would be buyers and this is where there would be buyers if the stock was looking like this. So that's all I got time for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video lesson. It's only going to be a short one today. I'm going to be back with some more video lessons during the weekend. Hope you have a good weekend. Peace out.